Hey, it's Gina with WTI. My husband has been dealing with hearing loss and ringing in his ears for several years. This has really caused him some issues, especially when people think that he's ignoring them or he can't hear what I'm saying. He just loves that these give him tinnitus masking and AI enhanced sound clarity, among other things. These are receiver and canal. He really appreciates how closely the tube is to the side of his face. It doesn't flop around and it's hardly noticeable. He loves to use them for listening to music, Bluetooth connection with phone calls. One of the great things about these hearing aids is they come with their own app. And if you're using that with Bluetooth or music, you can also have enhanced sound. So that's perfect because he does listen to music a lot on these. And it doesn't cut down on what he can hear outside of that, it actually enhances it. This has been so nice for my husband because he doesn't have to ask me or other people to repeat themselves as often, and that has really enhanced his quality of life. We were so impressed by the real-time translation that you can have with these. So if you're listening to someone who speaks a language that you don't speak, you can set it to hear that language, and then it actually translates it, and your hearing aid talks to you, and it translates it into your language for you. Something to keep in mind is that it can take up to 3 weeks for you to get used to hearing more ambient noise and for you to be able to kind of tone that out. Another great feature is that you can take a hearing test, and if needed, they even have audiologists that you can contact to help guide you through the setup process so that you can get optimal sound. We can definitely see why this Beyond model from ELEHEAR is award-winning, and we cannot express enough how much they've enhanced my husband's daily life. We think you're going to love them too, and that's our point of view.